Okay, this is gonna be great. We're now gonna go meet Sha'don, AKA Mr. AIC. He's a senior from Elizabeth, New Jersey, and he's all about student-run clubs and organizations. There's a club for everyone here at AIC, and if you want to make one of your own, you can. He's super excited to talk about how to make the most out of your 4 years right here. You're up, Sha'don.
Thanks, Alex. What's going on, y'all? Ever since I stepped foot on campus, I knew I wanted to be involved. Let me tell you why they call me Mr. AIC. At American International College, you're supported in everything you do as a student leader. AIC trusts their students' visions and empower us to have a direct impact on the student experience. As one of the many highly involved students on campus, I take pride in my work as Student Government Association Student Body President. We're a student-run organization that has the authority to create policy change and advocate for the student body. I also lead our Persons Ready in Defense of Ebony Club, or PRIDE, as president. PRIDE is one of our longest student-run organizations. This is our Black student union on campus. I also work as the Assistant to Diversity Education. These are just a few of the many hats I wear on campus. There's a dozen of clubs and organizations to choose from, and an active Greek life. There's an emphasis on community in our many organizations. For example, my fraternity does the annual clothing drive at the end of every semester. Whether you want to celebrate being a freshman with the annual New Student Carnival, or grab a drink with your friends at the Stinger Pub for Stinger Thursdays, if you're 21, of course. As a first-generation student, I look forward to being the first in my family to graduate from college. One thing I learned at AIC is not only how to be a part of the community, but how to play a part in the community. Thanks to everyone for listening. You could take it from here, Alex.
You're a great ambassador for AIC, Sha'don. How do you possibly have time for it all? It's so cool that anyone can be part of so many different organizations and give back to the community. We can't wait to see what you do when you graduate. Great job, Sha'don.